Welcome to Rivermill by HHHunt, a remarkable new home community nestled in Glen Allen, Virginia. Here, homeowners are treated to an array of exceptional amenities, a great location, and several new home types. Combined, these features genuinely enhance the living experience. The Connexion at Rivermill, our extraordinary amenity center, is at the heart of it all. Step outside to discover a refreshing pool with a sun-drenched deck and a pool house. Unwind on the patio featuring an outdoor kitchen and a cozy fire pit. Immerse yourself in nature in our enchanting playground or catch a live show at the amphitheater. Inside the Connexion Clubhouse, you'll find 2 conference rooms, perfect for meeting and gatherings. Enjoy a fully equipped kitchen and make lasting memories in a welcoming social space and game room. And don't forget the screened-in porch, offering breathtaking views of the Chickahominy River. Speaking of the river, homeowners can embrace the beauty of nature along the Serene Nature Trail, running parallel to the babbling waters. And if you're looking for more adventure, our community boasts miles of paved trails and sidewalks. Discover Mill Square Park, an oasis where you can relax in the pavilion with yet another outdoor kitchen and fire pit. Lounge in our tranquil hammock garden and let your worries melt away. These amenities lend themselves to an active social calendar at Rivermill, and homeowners enjoy many events like Music in the Mill and Pumpkins in the Park. Homeowners can choose from various home types at Rivermill, including stylish townhomes, inviting single-family homes, and exquisite custom homes. Each home is designed with your comfort and style in mind. Experience the best of both worlds, where all these remarkable amenities and homes are conveniently located in the greater Richmond area, just minutes from Route 1, Interstate 95, and Interstate 295. Welcome home to Rivermill, where luxury, nature, and convenience intertwine to create the perfect place to call home. Learn more at rivermillnewhomes.com. Rivermill is developed by HHHunt Communities. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.